Everyone, this is Kiko Vlog, sa Filipino actor based in Middle Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Ang ginagawa natin reaction video, ang Barda Compilation. So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Ano to? Hala, ang gwapo ni David. Ay! Ay, hello! Wala na. Ay! So paano natin ipaglalaban yan, ma'am? Just, paano natin ipaglalaban yan, ma'am? Tama pa ba yan, ma'am?
With cardio, I do it for like 20
Ay,
minutes.
no, pinikili din ako. Yun yung pinikili
Jog
din.
or do elliptical.
Yes!
Then I go
Iba siya.
to weightlifting.
Iba siya sa lalaki lahat for today's video.
Like for example, I do chest and bicep today. Tomorrow I'll do back and tricep, then shoulders and so on.
Okay.
I did four sets of 12 repetitions, followed by incline dumbbell presses. I did it also for 4 sets of 10 repetitions. The last was flies. I did it for 3 sets and 12 repetitions. Just
Okay.
go to the gym every day, and of course diet. Because for me, I believe that 70% is diet and 30% is workout. As a model, first it's important because it's our asset, especially for me, you know. Joke lang. Even if I'm not a model or I'm not doing any entertainment stuff, I'd still probably go to the gym every day because I believe that it is essential in everyone's life.
Okay. This is kay Ginoo,
It motivates me.
Maano din talaga siya. Charis! May potential talaga siya.
Of course, girls eh.
Show me how you work it.
Ay,
Sweat, 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 dripping down like sweat,
okay.
sweat, sweat, dripping down like cinnamon spice glow.
Ladies and gentlemen, sa'yo lahat yan, Binibining Clan. Pump na pump ang katawan ni Binibining. This video is for Mommy Divine. Charas! This is for you, Mommy Divine. Charas! Tama ba yun, Mommy Divine? This is for you, Mommy Divine. Alam ko ito kung sunod-sunod ni Mommy Divine. Ay! Is this their first TikTok ba? Yan yung unang TikTok nila, ma'am? Shine on the star. Ang alam ko yan yung pinakaunang TikTok nila. Nasa'yo, damdamin. Ang cute-cute din siya. Cry-cry talaga ang ginoo natin. Cry-cry talaga ang ginoo natin. Okay, what's next? Okay, okay. Ay, ano? Ay, yung bagong kotse niya ata before niya binili niya. Ito, kasi ginoo. Okay. Okay. Bago yung yan. Ang yaman pa pati. Ang sarap ng mga pagkain niya sa KK. Tsaka sa ano niya, beer. Sa sobra. Fine dining ang atake pala. Ay, hello. Kay Binibining Clyde ang lahat yan. Pag pinakita talaga ni Ginoo, kilikili na tapos ang laban. Chas! At chas! Ganon. Chas! Bubblegum. Chewing bubblegum. Hey. Okay. Ayan, iba siguro yun. Ay, hello? Hello? Yung mata niya, pag dinidilat niya, iba talaga yung itsura niya. Ay, hello. Eto na talaga siya. Ladies and gentlemen, Ginoo. Ladies and gentlemen, ang ginoo ng lahat for today's video na para bang Ladies and gentlemen, ang ginoo nyo.
Hindi siya nahihiya mag-baby talk.
Oo, kasi bakit diba? Hindi naman cringe yung baby talk.
Ba't naman cute? Oo, hindi kaya, cute kaya yun. Love language yun.
Pero ako baby talk.
Ay. Feelings. Sa Canada nag-umpisa ang lahat. Sinasabi ko sa inyo. Si Mom Divine, ang cutie lang ni Mom Divine kasi yung profile picture, ay yung wallpaper niya ata sa phone is, what do you call this? We gotta up girl style. Drop things, don't worry, I can get you. Okay. Ay, si Ma'am Alex. Wait. Let's get one thing straight. This photo doesn't clearly show the man's face. So claiming it's David is pure guesswork. Without clear proof, it's nothing. Diyos ko. Tapos na tayo dyan, Mang Riverisa, di ba? Buti naman, di ba? Diyos ko, halatang Photoshop yan. Sa totoo lang. Ay, kiss mo nga. Ito talaga. Kiss mo nga. At kinis talaga niya. At kinis niya talaga. Natatawa yung mga director talaga. At kinis niya talaga.
Sige lang, tinitiis ko lang kaya wala see your reaction.
Ay, kinis ko lang kayo. Charas.
ko na kayang mawalay sa'yo. Ikaw ang kumpas pag naliligaw.
Kumpas.
Ikaw ang
Ay, no. Ay. Kailan to? Tignan mo, sino yung itsura niya? Tignan mo yung itsura niya. Ang cute niya talaga. I mean, how can you not love David Licauco, di ba? How can you not? How can you not love talaga David Licauco, I swear? Di ba? Oh. Ala, grabe, laki pa ng muscle niya dito. Oh. Grabe, ang pogi niya talaga. Anyways, ito sa for today's video. So, bala compilation. This video vlog. And see you on the next vlog. Bye.